Did you know that some people buy domain names, websites, and social media accounts for cheap and resell them for thousands of dollars? It's called digital asset flipping. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start with as little as $50 to $100 and make $1,000 to $10,000 per flip. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme, though. This is about understanding value, putting in the work, and flipping digital assets just like you would real estate. Stick around because I'll show you step by step how you can do this from anywhere in the world. Let's dive in. So, what exactly are digital assets? In simple terms, they are online properties that people buy and sell, just like real estate, but digital. And just like real estate, there are deals to be had if you know where to look. There are three main types of digital assets you can flip. First up, we've got domain names. These are website addresses, and a good one can be worth thousands. Think about it, a catchy, memorable domain name is digital gold. Second, we have websites and blogs. You can buy an existing site, improve it, and sell it for a profit. It's like flipping houses, but online. And lastly, we've got social media accounts. Build a following on Instagram, TikTok, or even Twitter, and you can sell that account for a nice chunk of change. The best part? You don't need to be a tech genius to do this. If you can use a computer and have an eye for opportunity, you can make this work. So stick with me, because I'm going to break down each of these asset classes and show you how to turn them into profit. Domain flipping is one of the easiest ways to get your feet wet in the world of digital asset flipping. Here's how it works. You find a domain name that you think has potential. Maybe it's short, brandable, or relevant to a hot industry. You can often snag these for dirt cheap, like $10 to $20 on sites like GoDaddy Auctions or Namecheap. Once you've added some value, it's time to list that domain for sale on platforms like Flippa or Dan.com. We're talking hundreds, even thousands of dollars in profit for something you might have bought for the price of a pizza. Now, let's talk about flipping websites and blogs. This is where the big money is, but it also requires more work and a bit of marketing savvy. Here's the process. First, you need to find undervalued websites. You can find these sites on marketplaces like Flippa, Motion Invest, or Empire Flippers. Improve its SEO, give it a fresh design, and create high-quality content. Monetize with ads, affiliate marketing, or selling products. Once you've got that cash flow coming in, list the site for sale again for a much higher price. You might be surprised to learn that people buy and sell Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter accounts all the time. Businesses are always looking for established pages with a loyal following to market their products. Choose a profitable niche and create high-quality, engaging content. Use trends and hashtags to grow your account. Consistency is key here. Once you've hit a decent following, list your account for sale on platforms like FameSwap or Social Tradia. This is a real business model that people use to make thousands of dollars per month. All right, now let's put everything together. Here's how you can start flipping digital assets today. First things first, pick your lane. Are you drawn to domain flipping, website flipping, or social media flipping? Choose one and focus on mastering it. You don't need a ton of money to get started. Familiarize yourself with platforms like Flippa, GoDaddy Auctions, Namecheap, and FameSwap. Flipping is all about adding value. Take something undervalued, polish it up, and sell it for a profit. That's the name of the game. Now, before you dive headfirst into the world of digital asset flipping, let me share a few tips to help you avoid some common mistakes. First and foremost, don't get blinded by the hype. Digital asset flipping takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn. Do your due diligence. Research any digital asset thoroughly before buying. There are plenty of scams out there, so be cautious. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different niches, platforms, and strategies. The more you experiment, the more you'll learn, and the more successful you'll become. All right, guys, that's the rundown of digital asset flipping. With a little bit of capital and a lot of hustle, you can start flipping domains, websites, and social media accounts for profit. Remember, this is a business, and like any business, it takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, start flipping, and let me know how much money you make. If you found this video helpful, comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.